Hello everyone, this is Sumit Bhatia. I'm a Sitecore 8.2 and 9 certified developer, and in today's video I'm going to show you what Sitecore has provided a latest in the Horizon in the Sitecore 10.1 version. So I will show you some improvements or some new feature in Horizon with the Sitecore 10.1 latest version. So quickly go to the first feature is like you can now search for the pages content item and media items in Horizon. So here I have two instances. First is for the sitecode 10 and second for is the sitecode 10.1. So the feature says that for the says for the search feature that is introduced in sitecode 10.1. So quickly go to the sitecode 10 instance, and here you can say that I don't have any kind of search option, so I cannot search for any content item from Horizon window. But if I go to sitecode 10.1, here I have a search icon. When I click here, so I can search by typing anything, and I can search for the content, all the items. I can search for the pages, I can search for the content, and as well as for the media. So if I search for accordion, so you can see that it has like I can you can see that 20 items, yeah, like search from the using this ACC keyword. And if you want to filter it, you can want to filter for the pages, so it will show you all the pages. If you want to search for the content, it will show you all the content. So if I search for the page, you can see there are 40 search results occurred here, and if I search for all items, there are 42 items. If I search for, I can filter for the pages, so there are only two pages, and if I filter for the content, there are 40, and same with the media. And what you can do is, if you want to click on any let me with the content, you want to click on any content, you can click here and it will open all the items properties of that particular item, and it will expand the tree structure like this one, and you can update your content from this window. And also the what kind of information it will show you is, it will show the name, display name modified by language, item path, and item time content. So this way you can search for any kind of item, and you can filter it from this drop down. So this is the first feature that Horizon 10.1 contains. Okay. Next is a improvement. So the improvement says that now you can edit a link field and number field in Horizon pages, and you can edit checklist and drop down menu fields from the Horizon content. So quickly go to the 10.1 instance. So if you see here, I have a link field, and when I click on the link field here on the right hand side, I have only option to remove this rendering or choose a data source for this particular rendering. So I can choose a link data source item here and click select and assign to this rendering. But in sitecode 10.1, this is my link field, and here I can you can see that I can also do the same. I can click on the browse and choose and remove rendering. I can edit the content item. So this is the feature. When I click on the particular link, I can update the link uh, fields from here. I can update the link type, I can update the link text, path, and option parameter also. So this is an improvement that sitecode 10.1 Horizon contains. And same with the with the checklist control. So this is my checklist control, and if I click here, I can edit the content item for the checklist. So if I click here, uh, so you can see that it will show the data source feed for that particular item. I can change the values from here, and let me go back, and this is the feature, this is improvement, that I can update the data source item. And same if I go to the checklist filter with the 10.10 version, so I don't have any kind of functionality here to edit the fields for the particular rendered data source. So this is a new improvement. The next new feature is now you can create and edit data source item. So if this is a link, I have added a rendering from here. You can drag and drop any rendering from the left and drag and put it on the top like this one. And after drag and drop, you will provide a data source to the particular rendering. So here the rendering is a link rendering, and if I click on the browse, I can select a data source from here, but I don't have any option to create a new data source from this panel. But if I go to Sitecode 10.1 and if I drag and drop the link field, and if I click on the browse, you can see that they have provided a create new button. And when you click on create new like link, you can choose a link or link folder, and anything you can add. You can add your own link, new link to, and after creating, you can assign this link to this rendering. So this way you can assign you can create a new data source from this 10.1 horizon window. The last is a also improvement, that is a very small thing, that you can publish items and sub items. So quickly go to Sitecode 10 version. Here, after completing all the things, you can publish the item. But if you go to Sitecode 10 version, it is also has the option to publish this item or publish the items with all the sub items. So this new option, this new improvement, you can say, Sitecode 10.1 contains. So these are the new latest things that came in Sitecode 10.1 version for Horizon. And like you can use these features as per your need. So that's all contains that's all about this video. And these are about all about this new feature. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.